Hey gamers! Welcome back to Onyx. Today, we're diving into the top 5 assault rifles in COD Mobile Season 7 that will dominate your matches. Whether you're going for long-range kills or close-quarters chaos, these rifles are absolute monsters. Let's get started. First up, we have the DRH. This beast delivers a whopping 32 damage per shot, making it a powerhouse in both mid and long-range engagements. Its fast fire rate and excellent accuracy make it a top choice for many players. Just be mindful of its smaller magazine size. A quick reload can be a lifesaver.
They never gonna stop us, like I'm like choppers, better took those risks, cool, but on my fists we fire starters. I'm the one of a million more reach those heights. Always better good than I won't deny that work, never could toss. Look at my eyes, I'm dropping skies.
Next, the AS Valve. Known for its high damage and rapid fire rate, this rifle excels in close to mid-range combat. While its recoil can be challenging with the right attachments, you can harness its full potential. It's a favorite among aggressive players who like to push forward.
A couple million now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name.
Coming in at number 3, the LK24. This rifle offers a balanced mix of damage and fire rate, with low recoil that's easy to control. It's perfect for players who prefer a steady and reliable weapon. Plus, its versatility makes it suitable for various combat scenarios.
That keeps us floating as we fly above the stars. The hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. I'm too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be standing.
At number 4, we have the Type 25. This rifle boasts a high rate of fire and decent damage, making it effective in close to mid-range battles. While its recoil is a bit more noticeable, with the right loadout, you can manage it effectively. Last but not least, the AK-47. A classic choice for many. This rifle delivers high damage per shot, making it lethal in mid to long-range engagements. Its recoil can be challenging, but with practice and the right attachments, it remains a formidable weapon. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 best assault rifles in COD Mobile Season. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more COD Mobile content.